Hello, I'm Sarah Dawn of Sarah Dawn's Designs, and today we're talking how to do the long tail cast on using Knit Picks Wonderfluff yarn. I've had the blessing of working with this yarn several times now, and even published a scarf design using it, the Caley Fisherman's Rib Scarf. First, lay the yarn over the thumb and index finger of your left hand, holding your thumb and index finger apart. The tail end of the yarn should be over your thumb, while the yarn coming from the ball, the working yarn, should be over your index finger. You want to leave a sizable yarn tail, so you have enough yarn to complete the cast on. Then, place your needle over the yarn, insert the needle into the loop around your thumb, inserting the needle to run towards the tip of your thumb. Then, pull the yarn that was across both fingers through the loop of yarn you just made, and slide that loop off of your thumb. You should now have 2 loops of yarn on your needle. Keep the yarn over your thumb. For the next stitch, once again, insert the needle into the loop around your thumb in the same way you did before, running towards the tip of your thumb. Pick up the yarn around your index finger with the tip of the needle and bring it through the loop, then drop the loop off your thumb. Then repeat as needed until you have the correct number of stitches cast on. If you're following along with the Caley Fisherman's Rib Scarf, you'll be casting on 29 stitches. Next step is the setup rows for 2-color Fisherman's Rib, so subscribe for my next tutorial to follow along. Thanks for watching, and happy knitting!